Do you ever feel like you're stuck on repeat? Like every day feels the same, and nothing exciting ever happens? That's called being in a rut, and it can make life feel dull and slow. But the good news? You don't have to stay there. If you're ready to feel alive again, hit that subscribe button and let's explore 7 simple ways to bring energy, fun, and joy back into your life. 1. Start your day with purpose. The way you begin your morning can shape your whole day. Instead of rushing or hitting the snooze button, try waking up early and watching the sunrise. Yes, really, watch the sky change colors and feel the world slowly come alive. While you're at it, think about what you're grateful for and what you're looking forward to. It's a slight shift, but it sets a powerful tone. 2. Listen to something you've never heard before. We all have favorite songs. But when you always play the same tunes, your brain gets bored. Today, try something new. Use a music app to explore different styles: jazz, classical, hip-hop from another country, anything you wouldn't usually choose. You never know what you might fall in love with. Even just changing your background music can give your mind a fresh burst of energy. 3. Make time to play. Kids know how to have fun. They build things, get messy, and have a lot of fun. But as adults, we often forget how to play. Try coloring with crayons, building with Lego bricks, or creating a silly craft. If you want a challenge, spend time with children. Babysit your niece or hang out with your little cousin. They'll teach you how to play again, without even trying. Play helps you let go, be creative, and enjoy the moment. 4. Watch people and spread kindness. Sometimes the best way to get out of your head is to look around you. Sit on a bench in a busy area. Watch how people walk, talk, and live their lives. You'll start to see things you never noticed before. And while you're at it, do something kind for someone. Hold the door, smile, pay for a stranger's coffee. Kindness doesn't just help others, it enables you to feel more alive and connected, too. 5. Add a little randomness to your life. When every day looks the same, your brain gets bored. So shake things up a little. Can't decide what to do? Flip a coin. Go to a movie without checking the title. Close your eyes and pick a book at random from the shelf. Let life surprise you. A little randomness can spark curiosity and joy in ways you don't expect. 6. Learn a new language, even just a little. Want to give your brain a workout and have fun at the same time? Try learning a new language. You don't have to become fluent. Start with a few simple words or phrases. It could be greetings, numbers, or even silly or passionate phrases. Some apps and websites make learning fun and easy. And who knows, you might end up with a new favorite way to express yourself. 7. Use your opposite hand. Here's a fun challenge. Try writing or drawing with the hand you don't usually use. It'll probably look a little wild at first, and that's the point. It's not about being perfect. It's about doing something different. You can even make it a game. Compete with friends to see who draws the best picture with their wrong hand. Doing everyday things in new ways helps your brain become more alert and attentive. Getting out of a rut doesn't take significant changes. Sometimes, all it takes is one small step in a new direction. Try something different today. Listen to new music. Watch the sunrise. Play, laugh, be kind, be curious. Because when you try new things, even little ones, you start to feel more alive again. Don't wait for your life to change. Make a change today, and watch how everything begins to shift. If this resonated with you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple ways to feel better, grow stronger, and enjoy life more. We're all in this together. You've got this. Keep going. You have the power to make these changes and transform your life.